This is a short video about replacing the battery in a 2012 Volkswagen Jetta SE 2.5 liter gas 5-cylinder. So my car is a 2012 model and it's 2018, so I'm assuming that it's an old battery and it's time to be replaced, even though the acid level indicator is showing black, which means that it has enough battery acid. Here's what it looks like when it's black, and after I removed the battery and tilted it, this is what it looks like when it's clear. So I was hunting around for a sticker that would have the month and date of manufacture. And then I started realizing after I looked online at some forums that by this battery terminal here, it says 4211. That's the date of manufacture. That stands for the 42nd week of the year 2011. So I believe that's late October of 2011. That means I'm overdue, and it is unreliable. If after you remove the battery, you look on the side, here you can see the same numbers, 4211 for the date of manufacture. On the right, some other numbers, which are probably the lot number. Here's a photo of the new battery I installed from Walmart. Be advised that red battery cable does not mean positive. I repeat, red does not mean positive. If you look at the right where the clamp is, it clearly is labeled negative. So make sure you put that on correctly. And it's really hard to attach to the positive, or rather to the positive terminal if you try to, because it's not big enough. So if it's not going to fit, something is wrong. And the red cable really isn't supposed to be red. It may look like it is a faded red, but it is not positive. And if one other thing I want to mention is if you're standing at the bumper looking at the battery, on the left side, down low is a clamp that you have to remove, but you can see it after you remove that fabric battery wrap. But the stock battery wrap would not fit this new battery, this Everstart Group H6. All right, thanks for watching, and if there's any corrections that need to be made, go ahead and put them in the comment section.